GoPro 13 right here already. Fly High FPV gonna be one of the first. Cannot wait. I am getting it as quick as I can. I got a 13, which I'm calling the mini, and I got a 13 black coming as well. This looks to be the black, and the mini will be here shortly. I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy opened up and modeled and start making cases for it so that you can get your cases right away. Flyhighfpv.com. Go ahead and order your cases. I'll have the mini and the black on the site just as quick as possible. All right, here it is next to the 12, 13 black. Honestly, they look like the same shape. Everybody was worried about this lens sticking out too far. This lens looks like it's the same. They've definitely changed the design of the lens a little bit. You see it's got like a little bit of a lip to it, but it might even fit in the existing cases. Let's just see. Old GoPro 145. Now I've removed the finger loops as I always do. New GoPro 158. Loops are still there. I'll be taking those off too. They do have that improved loop style though. It's got the regular cam screw as well as the finger loops. I always just take them all the way off, get rid of them, and remove that extra bit of weight. Anyway, next question is, will it fit in this case? Yes, it will. So your existing Hero 9, 10, 11, 12 cases will in fact hit the 13, so they're ready to go. Batteries are different though. They've got a new battery pin. It's got one extra pin and it's sideways. Looks to be about the same size package. I know they said that it was like 11 or 12% more capacity, but I think they've just done something to the packaging to get a little bit more out of it. Yeah, instead of having this step and all. Anyway, looks pretty good. I'll be putting it through its paces. You know, I will tell you everything I can find out about it just as quick as possible. I don't know if my 13 mini is going to be here today or if it's coming on Sunday like it was originally estimated. But here it is, 13 black, fits in the existing cases. Heard it here first.